Ethereum, it's secure, it's slow. Solana, it's fast, it's cheap,
I think
it's
Base will
terrible
be a big
security.
winner.
Yeah. I think the answer for me is, when will there be a day when we have a stable coin on the Bitcoin blockchain where I can just swap my Bitcoin into a Bitcoin stable chain, into a stable coin on the one ecosystem? Can that eventually come?
I think there is a company building this. I think they want to call it USDH. I think I read an article on one of the news websites about this one. So yes, I do believe this. We will be able to cash out to a Bitcoin stablecoin at the end of this bull market already, so 2025. But I don't believe a lot of people will trust it by then. But I would do it. I would do it. I always diversify into different stablecoins. I also used DAI, but now that DAI was switching names and doing
But
all
doesn't
kinds
that, don't you have, I've heard a lot on your I more or less follow more on the Instagram side. It's quick, it's fast. And you talk about going into Tether or USDC Circle. Doesn't that scare you, because they have the ability to lock wallets?
They do have the ability to lock wallets, so it's a scary 12 months because I only do this in the bear market.
Yes.
That's why I just ask you the same question. That's why I'm looking into using my Bitcoins as a collateral now. For example, on the Aave blockchain, which is completely decentralized and where I don't have any centralized authority that can block my or lock.
They are completely if you connect.
Yes,
so you can connect your Bitcoin wallet, lend your Bitcoin at like a 10% APR.
Yeah, something like that.
And there's no central controller to block anything.
Zero.
Interesting.
Aave protocol. Yeah.
I know Aave.
Aave, yeah, and so that's a thought that I have. Other people tell me, Didi, man, you should just short Bitcoin, but it goes against my norms and values. I don't know. I'm a pussy when it comes to investing and trading at that moment. I'm just not a shorter. And I know the trend is your friend. In the bear market, you can easily short Bitcoin with a low leverage of 2x or 1x and probably make a shitload of profit out of that. But I don't want to sell my buy-X on the community, so I will prefer to do it as a collateral or into a stablecoin and then diversify between USDT, USDC, maybe DAI, maybe a Bitcoin stablecoin.
Yeah, that's where I get lost.
Maybe I should listen to you and just buy a house in Thailand, which I don't own, but maybe you can use it for 12 months as a stablecoin.
That's the thing. That's what but the problem in Thailand, because we sold the condo. Say it's worth 20 million, right?
Yeah.
You're not getting 20. My point is, okay, the valuation is 20 million. This market is going to get so saturated that you'll be lucky to get 17.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you lose to lawyers and commission. So you will end up with 15 and a half. So you're going to lose 4.5.
Oh, fuck. Not doing it.
for sure. That's because that's the reality of ours. Like we had a condo in Bangkok. It was worth value 16.
Yeah. We
We ended up with 12.5.
Yeah.
But she was like, no, don't do it. I go, no. Because this was when Bitcoin was like 50, 55. Yeah. I said, I think it's going to 100K before December. She's like, no, be careful. Anyways, that's how Trump come in. We took it all and popped it in. So we made the right move, but to be able to use a real estate as a stable coin with lawyer fees, commissions, and you're never going to get market value.
There is another option in Singapore. There's a company where you can convert your Bitcoins into gold and gold into Bitcoin, and they store your Bitcoins physically there in your safe with cameras, so you can even see everything and visit the company. And Singapore is one of the only countries in the world where gold has also 0% tax. So
yeah.